Picture this. It's December 31st, 2025. You're sitting down reflecting on the year. Your finances are thriving. You're in the best shape of your life. You've built meaningful relationships, achieved milestones you once thought were impossible, and you feel unstoppable. Sounds incredible, right? Well, what if I told you that vision isn't just a dream? It can be your reality. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make 2025 the best year of your life. Let's dive in. Let's start by getting real. Right now you might feel stuck. Maybe social media constantly pulls your attention, leaving you drained and directionless. Or you're juggling too many goals, making it impossible to focus. Trust me, I've been there. This was me a few years ago, scrolling endlessly, comparing myself to others, and feeling paralyzed. I knew I wanted more, but I had no idea where to start. Here's the good news. Change is possible, and it begins with one key shift: clarity. Clarity is your compass for 2025. It's not just about knowing what you want. It's about having the confidence to chase it relentlessly. Imagine waking up every day with a clear purpose and a plan to execute it. That's where we're headed. Step 1. Quiet the noise. Social media, endless notifications, and external expectations are the biggest obstacles to clarity. Tomorrow, I want you to block out 1 hour. No phone, no input. Just you, a journal, and some honest questions. What do you want? What's holding you back? What truly matters? When you quiet the noise, you'll hear your inner voice more clearly. Here's the thing. This isn't just about shutting off distractions for an hour. It's about setting a boundary with the noise in your life on a regular basis. Create a system where you're not constantly accessible. Turn off notifications, schedule phone-free times, and protect your mental space. This practice allows your thoughts to flow freely, and that's when clarity truly emerges. Remember, clarity isn't something you find once and forget. It's a daily practice. Step 2. Identify your path. You can't pursue everything at once. Pick one area of your life to dominate in 2025. Maybe it's your health, maybe it's your finances, or perhaps it's building deeper relationships. Choose one focus and commit to it. Start by writing down all the areas of your life where you'd like to see improvement. Then ask yourself, which of these will have the biggest impact? If you're struggling financially, maybe focusing on creating a sustainable income should come first. If you feel disconnected, perhaps strengthening your relationships is key. Prioritizing doesn't mean abandoning everything else. It means dedicating your primary energy to what truly matters. When I chose my path a few years ago, it was finances. My goal was simple: hit $100,000 in revenue. That clarity changed everything. Step 3. Pursue relentless action. Now that you have clarity, it's time to move. Take one small action today, no matter how uncomfortable it feels. Momentum doesn't come from doing something once. It comes from doing it repeatedly. Start small, but stay consistent. Here's a tip. Don't overthink the size of the action. If your goal is to improve your fitness, a 10-minute walk is a great starting point. If you want to write a book, start with a single paragraph. It's the consistent repetition of these small steps that creates a ripple effect. Over time, these actions compound, leading to results you never imagined possible. For me, it was as simple as dedicating 20 minutes every day to deep work. Those small wins added up and gave me the confidence to take bigger leaps. Step 4. Build momentum through consistency. Habits are the building blocks of success. The key isn't doing more, it's doing better every single day. Commit to 20 minutes of movement daily. Block out time for focused work. Whatever your goal, make consistency your superpower. Consistency isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, even on days when you don't feel like it. Let's say you miss a day at the gym or forget to journal. That's okay. The important thing is to get back on track quickly. Momentum is built when you minimize gaps and keep the rhythm alive. Celebrate your streaks and let them motivate you to keep going. Here's the thing. Small actions, repeated over time, lead to massive results. Trust the process. Step 5. Surround yourself with the right people. They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, who's in your corner? Are they pushing you to be better or holding you back? Take a close look at your relationships. Are there people who drain your energy, constantly complain, or discourage you from chasing your goals? It's time to set boundaries. Instead, seek out individuals who inspire you, challenge you, and believe in your vision. Join groups, attend events, or find a mentor who aligns with your values. When you're surrounded by the right energy, it's impossible not to grow. Find people who inspire you, challenge you, and hold you accountable. This one shift can transform your mindset and your results. Step 6. Create a clear vision board. One of the most powerful tools for manifesting your goals is visualization. A vision board acts as a constant reminder of what you're working toward. It's not just about cutting out pictures and sticking them on a board. It's about designing a tangible roadmap for your dreams. Start by identifying your biggest goals for 2025. Then find images, words, or symbols that represent these goals. For instance, if you want financial freedom, include a picture of your dream house or a bank statement with your ideal balance. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it daily. This constant reinforcement will keep you focused and motivated, even when challenges arise. Your vision board isn't just decoration. It's a living, breathing representation of the life you're building. Review it regularly, update it as you grow, and let it remind you of your purpose. Step 7. Reflect and adjust regularly. Even the best plans need tweaks along the way. Life is unpredictable, and your goals might evolve. That's why reflection is key to staying on track. Take time every week to review your progress. Ask yourself, what's working? What isn't? What can I do better? Reflection isn't just about identifying mistakes. It's about celebrating your wins, no matter how small. Maybe you worked out 3 times this week or saved an extra $50. Those wins matter. They build momentum and confidence. Use them as fuel to push forward. Make reflection a habit. Whether it's a weekly journal session or a quiet walk to think, the key is to stay aligned with your goals. Remember, progress is a journey, not a straight line. Step 8. Cultivate gratitude daily. Gratitude is the ultimate mindset shift that can transform your entire year. When you focus on what you're thankful for, you train your mind to see opportunities rather than obstacles. This isn't just a feel-good exercise. It's a proven method to improve your mental health, resilience, and overall happiness. Every day, take 5 minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for. These can be small moments, like a great cup of coffee, or bigger milestones, like hitting a financial goal. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to focus on positivity. Even on challenging days, finding gratitude helps you stay grounded and motivated. Gratitude doesn't just change how you feel, it changes how you act. It shifts your perspective, making you more aware of the progress you're making and the abundance in your life. The more grateful you are, the more you attract positivity and success. Now, you might be wondering, how do I stay on track when life gets tough? Or what happens if I fail? Stick around, because we'll dive into that in future videos. For now, remember, action creates clarity. Imagine the difference between feeling overwhelmed and feeling unstoppable. The choice is yours. And it starts with taking one step today. Let's pull it all together. Quiet the noise. Identify your path. Pursue relentless action. Build momentum through consistency. Surround yourself with the right people. Create a clear vision board. Reflect and adjust regularly. Cultivate gratitude daily. These 8 steps will set you up for the best year of your life. Picture yourself again on December 31st, 2025. You're smiling because you took control. You didn't just dream about a better future. You made it happen. And it all started here, today, with you deciding to act. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your 2025 goal in the comments. Let's make this year unforgettable, together.